This report, we like to schedule it, but this time we're going to schedule it in such a way that it's going to create an automatic sub-report for each of these branches. For that, we're going to use a batch scheduling option. Before I do that, I'll just go into my text box on top here, title. I would like to include something here, another dynamic content from over here. And this time it's going to be a member, sales, and the branch name. So it's just that make sure that when we look at the PDF, we also know which branch we're actually looking at. Right now it looks like it's putting in all the names, but don't worry about that. And also don't worry about the nulls. We're going to exclude that as well. So I'm going to save this. And once it has been saved, I can now go here and add this report as a scheduled job. So we're going to set it up with the things we need here, maybe the first Monday of the month, etc. The format, yeah, it's a report. We're going to do PDF, delivery. This time not email, but let's try to put it into a folder, and you have some options here. If you click the export section here, you can actually select your shared folder or your personal folder. So let's just try to put it into a shared folder. And now the batch option. So we're going to enable this batch processing, and we want to batch it by the branches, the branch names. So we got all the branch names here, and remember, I just want to deselect the nulls, so keeping the other branches. And we're going to send it out to this destination, which we set here, which is the folder destination. The email option, if we could use this, we could use a so-called member property. So imagine that you have an email address associated with each of these branches, then it will be sent out automatically to these email addresses as well. But right now we're just going to do with the export to folder. So let's have a look at this. Open scheduled jobs. It's right here, it's sitting there. So if I right click and run now, we'll just have to wait a bit here. So now it's succeeded, and we can close this dialog. Then we go to our shared folder over here with the open button. Shared. We don't see anything yet here except for the other folders. You need to activate the other options. The PDF files are of the type other, and probably also need to do a refresh. So if I right click here, refresh, they see it all the exported PDF files. So we created these, 9 PDF files from a single batch job. And if we look at one of them, the one for Orlando, you see the title up here, looks okay.